It's noisy, huh? Say, it's very loud out there, everybody. It's thundering. Well, the rain stopped. It's very loud, huh? But we're no scary. We're no scary, huh, handsome? It's stopping. I think the loud... Ooh, it's still going out there, but it stopped raining. Yeah. It was pouring, huh? So it's been doing this for several days. What, handsome? You looking at that door? It's very loud out there, huh? Say, we're no scary, though. Mama say it's no scary. I didn't even have to give him any rescue remedy. I'll just tell him that. It's no scary. You looking out there for that loud noise? What is that loud noise, huh? It was lightning really bad out there. Just saw a big bolt come down. Yeah. Say, it's very loud, huh? But we're no scary. Come here. Come on. Come on. Are we no scary? You gonna give kisses? Oh. He's even purring. Here. Let's come here. Say we're just no scary, right? We're just no scary. Now what are you doing? What are you looking at? Okay, well, I think it stopped. Every time I say it's stopping, it roars again. Well, maybe it'll stop in a little bit. Yeah, we're no scary. Are you no scary? You purring? Huh? Come on. What are you doing over there? You're getting into stuff. I see you. What are you doing? What you doing, handsome? Huh? What? It cleared up? Well, it cleared up, huh? It didn't last long. It's okay, you can go out here. It cleared up. All that loud noise stopped. The thunder stopped. Yeah, it stopped, didn't it? Huh? Did it stop? Well, I know. You got a lot to tell Mama today, huh? What? What? You want Mama to pee it, huh? Yeah, it cleared up. Are you happy? Are you happy? I know. What you doing? What? What is it? What? You want me to come out here? Oh. Okay. Well, okay. I came out here. Yep.